AI OFM is no longer the new kid on the block. It seems like every Tom, Dick and Harry has got their fingers in some sort of pie with an AI model. And especially for some reason, mossed up nerds in their mum's basement wearing balaclavas and claiming that they make millions a week. It's absolutely ridiculous. In all honesty, what is happening, especially in the course selling space within AI OFM, it's become such a buzzword, which is both good for people like myself, purely because as the pioneer of this business model, I've been talking about this for over 3 years now, which I guarantee you can find no other influencer within this space which has been doing so, but very bad for newcomers within business model. You don't know who to trust. There's no real definitive information about the business model within this space. And the competition is of course growing. So how in the modern day 2026 are you going to grow your AI model from 0 to 50K a month? I'm going to discuss this today with you and show you step by step how this is possible. So we are entering the saturated realm. I've been telling people for years this has been coming. It was absolutely inevitable. AI mixed with OnlyFans essentially is OnlyFans money without having to show your face or even be a female. It's an absolute no-brainer. Once again, been saying this for years, but enough sucking myself off. Why the old rules do not apply anymore. So beyond the hype, you need to understand we're no longer in 2024. AI is very well known. People know about AI, and not just for competition reasons, but also our customer base is becoming more desensitized to AI models. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? I think it's a good thing. We have never deceived any of our customers into thinking that our AI model is real. In fact, most of the time they are either confused, they don't really know what it is, they don't really understand, which now they probably do, or they're extremely accepting and they don't really care. Let's face it, our target audience is lonely men. Do you think that they care whether they are chatting to a man on the other side of the screen or a woman? No, because the content that they are buying is still female content. It doesn't make them specifically gay in their eyes. It's just a way of keeping themselves entertained and having a bit of companionship in the nighttime, which unfortunately most men do not have nowadays. Now, in terms of competition, this does mean that the gold rush is over. You are coming into the stages of the latter SMMA gold rush, where SMMA moved away from being a legitimate business model and there was less and less actual social media marketing agencies who knew what they were doing, and SMMA was now a buzzword for people to just sell courses. And it's the exact same now. What this does mean is that not only people are selling courses, but the people who are buying the courses are actually making AI models and actually progressing in the industry. This means a few things. Number one, social media are catching on very fast. Their AI detection systems are advancing. It's just a fact. A couple of years ago, most social media platforms didn't care about AI content, didn't care about AI girls, didn't care about any of this. But because it's so prevalent in the modern day, this has become a massive issue for social media platforms. And therefore we are seeing a massive crackdown on AI influencers in general, but especially ones in the OnlyFans space. And it also means that basic AI models no longer cut it. I've been saying that basic AI models no longer cut it for over a year now. However, now it's genuinely true. You cannot be a blonde, Swedish, 19-year-old model and just be attractive and post and act as if, you're gonna go viral. It's not gonna happen. You almost need something that's wrong with your model. It seems that it's kind of pushing that way. You really do need an identifying factor and a real brand behind your model before you can actually start to even think about building a brand or making money now. So whether this be via unique features that your model has or via their persona, whether they have some sort of unique niche about them, they may be into chess, they may be into something super niche which only a certain audience can really relate to and that no other AI models are pursuing. Or something such as heterochromia, one eye color is different from the other, or a scar on their face, or something that defines them as completely different from any competition. I'm gonna give you a great example, which I already reviewed in a previous video. This girl on the screen right now, she has a birthmark on her face. This model went crazy. I believe loads of people are trying to recreate this right now, but once again, the other people that are trying to recreate this may have some success, but not as much success because it's already been done. You need to be original now. You actually need somewhat marketing skill to be able to survive in the AI OFM world. Content, creating it, easier than ever, which again, makes the competition larger, makes it more accessible for a wider audience. 1 year ago, we had to use comfy.ui, some really complex to someone like me who's never touched coding, very complex system, which I had to hire people for. Now we have things such as the AI model factory, which allow us to create an image of our model, which we have described in a prompt box, and then we can create infinite amounts of content based off one click using one link. Let me just touch on one link quickly. One link is a platform, it's a Chrome extension which will allow you to scroll through images, use them as reference images, and within one click you can create that exact image for your AI model. It's an extremely revolutionary piece of software, one that I believe certain people are already copying within the industry, even though we were the ones who done it first, of course. And this is something that will change the entire scope of this business model, because you don't need AI designers anymore. You don't need to automate that part of the business, and everything is so cheap. It's getting ridiculous. Now, gone are the days of marketing which consisted of follow for follow or shout out for shout out. These things don't work. Obviously, you've probably tried them. It's a very, beginner type strategy, and for the past couple of years, they haven't really worked, let's be honest. However, those days are completely gone, miles away. And now we have to actually be very smart about how we gain an audience and how we can then convert them. And very soon, we're gonna start to see organic content in itself fall off massively for AI influencers, because there is just a ridiculous amount of them. People are going to start to sway more towards paid marketing. It's going to be paid ads and paid SEO funnels, and more towards that paid marketing, especially when big corporations are going to get involved very soon. You're going to see the whole industry get taken over by influencers run by companies such as Disney, Pretty Little Thing, all these big brands which can afford to wipe out any of the peasants who's starting from $0. It's just logic. So on that point, whichever social media platform you are using to organically market, you need to really hone in on a certain audience and really relate to them so that they hold you dearly. Because if you are just generalized posting, you are just an attractive female, that is no longer going to cut it. You're going to need to be some special chess expert with glasses, and you're going to have to specially target the chess community so that you can gain an audience. Same with any niche now. That is what we're going to have to start doing. And not only this, but because customers now of AI models have so much choice on the market, they can go to anyone who's just charging less than you. It's a bit comparable to those social media marketing agencies where, competition gets so high in those kinds of spaces where people will just go to the next person who can deliver pretty much the same product for less cash. It's kind of logical, and people who have less cost of living can afford to charge less, and it will become less of a mass scale gold rush business and more of a penny scrounging business which people were just latching onto for extra bit of freelance pocket money. So we do have to be smart, and we do have to retain our audience very well, and that means having the correct sales process in place. For one, if you can't be available 24/7 for your subscribers, how are you meant to be able to keep them entertained at all times? Let's be honest, if John, the OF customer, who you've been chatting to for a week, he seems like he's really into the model. If he's online an hour before you are online on your AI model and you're chatting yourself and doing all the chatting yourself, and he's in the mood to be able to buy content, that hour is going to be lost. He's going to go find something else, and he's probably going to enjoy it more because he's got that little high from what he's just done, what he's just purchased, and he's probably going to leave. So unfortunately, we need 24-hour systems now, and we need expert salesmen on these accounts. So on that point, I do have the largest chatting agency on FanView. You can find the link to apply in the description. Or if you're a very beginner model and you still want 24-hour chatting because you are smart, you can apply for our Starter Link program, which is for beginners. But if you don't qualify for Chatterlink, you can pay a very small monthly base fee, which will be, a smaller base fee than you'll pay 24-hour chatting team on your own anyway. But it will be specialized, trained by us, and the chance to promote to the best in the business. So let's actually break down what a 50K a month blueprint will actually look like, because I'm not going to sit here for hours on end and explain, step by step how you can actually build this out. However, I can give you a very rough idea of how you were able to go away and start building the path towards that 50K per month at least. So number one, you need a model with definitive features. you need a brand. Stop building attractive females and start building brands. Whether this means a persona, a unique personality. Maybe you have an interest in rocket ships, which you know exactly how to reach that rocket ship niche, and you know how to gather people who are interested in rocket ships to be able to potentially subscribe to a model who's also interested in rocket ships. Or whether that be she has a unique feature, maybe a scar on the face, maybe a tattoo on the face, maybe she looks like Mike Tyson, whatever that is. Or even better, both. Do both. She can be extremely unique personality-wise and extremely unique looks-wise. Doesn't matter. Create a unique model, create a brand. Social media. The key to social media now is human behavior. Bots are so prevalent. The growth of AI, as I have been discussing in this video so far, is so rapid that social media platforms are, quite frankly, sick of people using bots on their platforms. Any type of bot activity, they don't care if a real human is behind it, they don't want it on their platform. They don't want your primary use of their platform to be to monetize your family or OnlyFans. They don't want that at all. Therefore, they're going to cut down on it. So you need to unfortunately spend a lot more time on these platforms, whether that be scrolling through reels, whether that be liking people's posts, posting on the story. You need to almost become addicted to social media to be able to survive. This will allow you to build a following. And this is where your expertise in the niche that you have chosen will come in, because only you are going to understand the best way to drive in Newcastle United supporters or supporters of chess or whatever the fuck it is. Doesn't matter. You have a unique niche now because you know that that is the only way to go, and you know how to target that niche on social media, and therefore you're going to do very well at building up a following to target the people who are also interested in that niche. Make sure your funnels are clear and contain a one-click process. These people who are subscribing are stupid. They are very low IQ. Therefore, if you let them get lost or you let them explore other platforms that you have, they will. No buy a coffee link in the bio. No Telegram link in the bio. Nothing other than your FanView link, which is where you want them to go. There is an exception, and that is TikTok. Funnel from TikTok to Instagram, then from Instagram to your actual link in bio. In any other social media platform, on X, you can funnel directly to FanView, but Instagram, I'm mainly talking about, use a one-click process on your link in bio. There is a new link in bio service called MyLink, which will actually allow you to play a very short video before your links even show. And therefore, well, imagine the possibilities. And monetization, make sure you have the correct sub price for your niche. Make sure that you have the best chatting team that you can possibly gather for the stage that you're at. And make sure that you are making the correct content that your customer base want to see so that it can be upsold for the maximum prices possible. And make sure you retain those subscribers, because that is going to be very, very key. And that is essentially your blueprint. Other than that, I recommend that you partner up with someone. If you half your workload, you can also double your output. Funnily enough, if you have 2, 3, 4 of you working on one singular AI model, one of you can work on the Instagram, one of you can work on the content, one of you can work on a TikTok. Therefore, you will have individual jobs to do so that you can maximize work rate. If you try to do everything yourself, it's 100% possible. However, with the growing competition, it's going to become much, much harder. And therefore, I recommend building a massive team so it's easier to scale, it's easier to make more models, and it's easier to get even more people on board in the future when you need to. And I'll end by saying that you need to stay on top of the curve. I've done so for the past 3 years, but it's a lot of hard work. You cannot just do this 9-to-5 mindset of, yep, I do this every single day. This is my work, this is my work, this is my work, and do that for years on end, because the space changes so quickly that your routine will change every week. I can guarantee it. If you want success, your routine will change every week. You will be more busy one week, less busy the next, and you will have less work on Instagram and more work on X next week. It's completely changing and always evolving. So make sure that you stay on top of it. And that's how you're going to build your AI OFM business from 0 to 50K. So what I have now is a completely free course for AI OFM. Why have I done this? I've done this simply for the reason that there is a lot of misinformation and a lot of people who are simply pretending that they do this business model so that they can sell a course. Quite frankly, I am sick of it. Yes, I've sold courses on this in the past. However, remember 3 years ago, it was a lot of help to people to have these courses. Now that information is out there, I no longer need to sell a course, because that is not my prerogative. My prerogative is to stop other people from making as much profit in this industry because I can. And I hate the fact that people are pretending that they have these massive AI models and deceiving people when they actually have no clue what they're doing, and they're just selling you a PDF form because they can afford the time to chat in these Telegram groups for hours on end per day. It's because realistically, they're broke. They don't run a massive business, they don't run a massive AI model, and they want to sell you a course which is simply a PDF file, which is probably built on ChatGPT. They don't understand the business, they don't understand how it works, they don't understand how it evolves, and as soon as their courses stop selling, they will drop off like that. Simple as that. So let's wipe them out. Let's get in the free course, which also comes with a community full of people that you can network with within the industry. Hopefully you enjoyed, and join me in the next one.